Peri Peri sauce. So I don't have bird eye chilies which they normally use for in South Africa or in South America. They have this bird eye chilies. Now I have this is red chilies. It's quarter kilo, 250 grams. Now this is two red peppers, three tomatoes, four lime. I'm going to take off the zest and also the juice, and then two onions to be peeled and roughly chopped, one pod garlic to be peeled and to be chopped roughly, and this is again capsicum, which is you cut them up, remove the seeds, take off the stalk, and then chop roughly. And this tomatoes to be roughly chopped, the stems to be removed, and you can roughly chop them again. Now this is about 1 teaspoon of cracked pepper. This is 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of mixed herbs. This is 2 tablespoons of sugar and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Now all these ingredients, you put them in a blender and or a mixer and mix it well. Ingredients are ground. Now I am going to add 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar, and mix it well. I am going to slowly cook this on slow fire for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. So I'm going to close it. This is after 7 minutes, so it's boiling. So just stir slightly and leave it there for another 13 minutes, 13 to 15, 18 minutes. This is after the 20 minutes. So check for seasoning, salt, vinegar and spice. Spice would be there, but anything else you require, just check it, and then if it's the right blend, then put it off and then let it cool down completely, and then you store it in 2 sterilized bottles or jars. Now we will fill it up in these bottles, and you can store it in the refrigerator. And half you can say. And now I've filled it to the top. I close it and put it in the refrigerator. You can use it for about 2-3 weeks.